Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an LF error and you're wondering what this error is and how to get rid of it. So the LF error stands for long fill, which means that when it's time for the washing machine to take on water so that it can run, it gives itself a certain amount of time to fill up with the water that it needs, and if after that time is up it hasn't done it, it'll give you this, it'll abandon cycle and give you this LF error. So this is actually one of the easier errors to fix because all you need to do is figure out why is your washing machine not getting water. And the number one culprit for that is going to be behind your dishwasher, behind your washing machine. You have where your hose hooks up to your water line. So first, is there water to your house, or did the water get cut off? Second, where this washing machine hooks up to the water, is that valve all the way to the left, all the way open, all the way counterclockwise? If it's only partially open, you might think water's getting through, you might hear water getting through, but enough is not getting through to fill up fast enough. And then you just want to follow that hose from there all the way to the back of your washing machine and make sure it's not pinched or bent or kinked in any way that would prevent water from flowing through it. Like if you just installed your washing machine and you push it up against the wall, if you push it up too hard, you might have smushed the hose and then water can't get through. And then lastly, there's a screen, a debris screen within the hose. You can just unhook the hose, you'll see there's a debris screen in there, and make sure that there's not too much gunk in there preventing water from flowing through. So anyways, if you do all those things, you should be able to get water going to your washing machine and get rid of this error pretty easily. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.